Okay, so this is my vision tech project that I did over the past couple of weeks here, that I planned on entering into Imagine. My project was to take photos that I had taken and manipulate them into a new image and just like edit them. I mainly did sports edits like the one here that you see, but all of the edits that I made were supposed to have some sort of meaning to them or purpose. So for this one, all the girls are huddled around together, and it says family because that's kind of what you create when you play sports with each other. So I did things like that. This one here is pretty cool too. It says that we play for our city, and it's got all the images of Lindsberg in the background. And here's another one I did. Okay, so this is one of my favorite ones because it's actually my team. And what I did here is I'll just kind of run through this real quick and show everybody what I did to create it. So first, it started out with just a regular image, except for it wasn't black and white. What I had to do is crop out all the players right here using the quick selection tool that I used right here, and you can select them all. Then once I got them selected, I made a copy of that by clicking Command J. Then from there, I changed the background to black and white, and I added this layer of rectangles over top of it. From there, everything that I did, I just used a bunch of different brushes that I could use to, make the photo pop a little more and, make it more interesting. And then I put the Smoky Valley logo at the bottom. The way I got the players to have so much detail is you can do pretty much everything you want in Topaz 5 adjust, because it'll allow you to put different filters over top of the picture. So I did ones like that. I just did a bunch of different ones like that. Here's another one that I made over the couple weeks. It's kind of cool because I put the American flag into the water. I thought that was a really cool one I did. I did this one right here too, which is pretty easy. Just, same kind of thing as the other ones. Same concept at least. So basically, yeah, I just made a bunch of different pictures. So we'll just go and show how to do one, I guess. So we'll just Google Ron James. And I'll just make this one really easy, really quick. So, really bad picture right here, but basically you're just going to select the person. Wish I had a better image. With that quick selection tool, and I'm just kind of slopping through this right now, but once you get the player cut out the way you want to, a trick that I like to do a lot is click right there, and then you can see what you still need to get, and you can color that in even and select it. But create a copy, and then you can put filters on the copy you just made, the person. So we'll just go with strong detail, click apply, and it didn't really change much because this is a really bad picture. But and then adjustments, and then you can do black and white, and then from there you can pretty much do any sort of technique that you want to. If you want to put like a patterned background on the back, or do something with brushes, or even put more pictures behind it, you can do that as well. So, oops, sorry, I don't want to save that. So, yeah, pretty much for my review of the project, I'm pretty much done. Basically, I just created a bunch of different edits that I could use, and uh, the results I kind of already showed you. All those pictures that I had already popped up are all kind of just, you know, ones that I had done. So, yeah. Uh, before coming into this project, I kind of already had a good idea of how to use Photoshop, but I think I learned uh, how to manipulate pictures better because I learned the use of lighting and stuff like that a little more as well. So if I could redo my project, I don't think I'd change much except for maybe trying to do a couple more photos of myself. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it.